Okay, so this is going to be review material for midterm 2. All right, the first problem that is on the test is going to be integration by parts. All right, now the integral of x squared cosine of 3x. Okay, well, with this one, this is a decay the polynomial part. Okay, so we can integrate the trigonometric function. I mean, we can, when we integrate sine, we just, cosine just becomes sine. But then we can differentiate the polynomial part of the problem. Okay, so first step would be to integrate cosine. Okay, now when you integrate cosine, it doesn't change sign. So this is going to be sine of 3x divided by 3, and then minus the integral. Now we're going to differentiate the x squared. So that becomes 2x, and then sine of 3x divided by 3, and this is an integral with respect to x. Okay. So then this would become x squared. I'm going to have to try to write a little bit smaller to fit all this on here. Sine of 3x divided by 3. Now, whenever you're doing this problem, especially involving the trigonometric functions, you have to be very careful with your minus signs. Okay? And so, when you, all right, so leave that minus sign sitting on the outside. Okay? And we're going to do integration by parts onto this thing right here, right? And so just remember, whenever you integrate sine, the integral of sine is negative cosine, okay? So I'm going to leave the 2x alone. And I'm going to write this as negative, now cosine of 3x divided by 3 squared and minus the integral, okay? Now derivative of 2x is 2, and this is going to remain as negative cosine of 3x divided by 3 squared, and this is going to be an integral with respect to x. Okay. See, with minus signs being introduced by integration by parts and minus signs being introduced by the integrals, you gotta be really careful about it. Okay, so that's why I put the big parentheses on the outside. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna distribute these minus signs in there, and then we'll be able to do the final integral. So that becomes, right now, x squared sine of 3x divided by 3, and then minus and a minus, that would turn that into a plus 2x. Now cosine of 3x divided by 3 squared, negative, 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 so we have 3 negatives, and so that's minus the integral of 2, now cosine of 3x divided by 3 squared, and this is an integral with respect to x. Okay, and now you've completely decayed the polynomial, and if you, the 2 and the 3 squared on this one are just constants, so at this point we can just integrate cosine of 3x. Okay, so what is it going to do? This is going to become x squared sine of 3x divided by 3, and then plus 2x cosine of 3x divided by 3 squared, and then minus 2, now sine of 3x divided by 3 cubed, and then let's put that plus c on the end. And that is the answer for our problem.